Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create progress view. Progress view is basically an object which is used to show a progress for a particular task. So let's get it started. Click on this Xcode button and just create new Xcode project, and under iOS choose single view application, click on next, and you can give the product name as progress view demo, and make sure language should be Objective-C. Click on next and just create it, and now just go to the main storyboard. Here is the default view controller we have, and I'm going to place that progress view from the object library by searching that object. Yeah, this is the progress view, and using drag and drop method we can place it on this view controller like this. And one more object is needed, that is button. So on this action of this button it should get executed, right? And one more object is required, that is label, to show the values of this progress view, right? So I'm changing some attributes of these objects. First is label. I'm changing its color. I'm changing its color from here, attribute inspector, and changing this color so that it should be visible by emptying its name like this. And I'm changing the name of button, that is a start, right? And the value of progress view is by default 0.5, so I'm taking the 0 value by default like this, so no progress is there, it is showing, right? And all of these objects get selected like this and setting its suggested constraints. You can visit, you can watch the video of auto layout, right? After that we need to click on this assistant editor so that we can have to split views of coding and storyboard, right? So from here the view controller scene, if it is not showing, so you can enable from here. So by selecting the view controller.h file we can set the properties from here. So for progress view I'm just setting the property by pressing control button and dragging here, naming progress view, and just click on connect. And for label I'm giving the name LBL progress, press enter. And for this button, make sure its connection should be action, and any name we can give. In my case I'm giving the BTN start, it makes sense, right? So just connect it and just close this from here. And now one more thing in .h file we need to declare is a property for ns timer, because this will be used to execute that progress view after some interval of time, right? So I'm giving its instance name my timer like this. And now come to .m file, and we need to code all the code in this block when I click on start button. So here I'm calling that my timer instance equals to ns timer and schedule timer with time interval with given this block. So I'm using this method. So in this time interval I'm giving some value of floating point value, in seconds, and repeat is yes, sorry, yes, and in the block I'm just pressing the enter button because we need to define everything in this block. So first of all, I need to take int type variable which should be static and name is count, initialized to 0, and incrementing its value by plus plus, and now if condition should be used because on the basis of this count variable the progress will be executed. So the condition will be count less than or equals to 100. Like I'm going to progress the progress view from 0 to 100, that's why I'm taking the 100 value, right? And in this statement we need to call that progress view property name dot progress equals to we need to equalize to count and divisible by 100.0f because it is taking floating point values, right? One more thing, we need to show the value of count into the label, so I'm using lbl progress dot text and equals to should be initialized with some format, so I'm taking the ns string with format, and now specifier is %d space %% is for showing the percent symbol, right? And now after comma count variable, right? And in the else part we are going to invalidate the timer, so my timer space invalidate, so it should be invalid, and it should be initialized to nil, and here I need to put semicolon. That's it. So we can test our app. So run the project. So this is our output, and from here I can click on this start button to initialize to progress the progress view and showing the values in the label. So just I'm clicking on this, so it's get started and reach to 100. So I hope this video is very helpful to you, and if so, don't forget to hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.